What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Just heard the VR-4 is out of paint and Rick just arrived. You guys ready to see it? Yo! Here we go. Oh my God. You good? Is that the same car? Holy crap. Damn! What a transformation. We need wheels on this thing. Oh wait, we have them. Wow.
What a difference, right?
What a difference. Oh, so this is just a little doo-doo from the ride here, but wow. We need to fix those headlights.
Yeah, headlights need to get fixed up. It's insane. It's hard to believe it's the same car. Do you remember the big chunk that was missing right here?
Had a big chunk here that was missing. You know what, Rick? It's a good time to show them. Actually, we did get new wheels for the car.
All right, let's show them.
Oh, you know what? We can't. We have this freaking car in the background. So we also have one other surprise for this car, which is we actually picked up new wheels. I don't have any footage from that, but here they are. 18x9 Advan RS for Evo 10 fitment, which apparently should fit on the VR-4.
We had Evo 10 wheels on the old VR-4, so
yeah.
Should be good.
So these will be a little bit more aggressive. I really do like the gunmetal. We are gonna refinish these. We did buy these secondhand. A couple of them have little scrapes here and there, but the styling.
I think we should get them mounted up.
You wanna mount them up?
I think we should.
So don't get them refinished now or get them refinished down the road?
We can refinish later. Let's just mount them up. I mean, look at the car. It looks so good.
I know. I can't believe how glossy it is. But those wheels kill it.
Yeah, they do. They kill the whole thing.
All right. What we decided is we can't wait. We want to test fit the wheels and see what they look like. As mentioned, we do want to get them refinished. I do like the gunmetal though. I do like the gunmetal color, but we're gonna test fit them on here. Maybe we'll mount them up. We'll see. Maybe. But I cannot get over how good this car looks. Obviously, we still have to reupholster the interior. We know that. We still need to get these headlights cleaned up, but the paint work came out amazing. But the wheels are the worst part right now. Yeah, the wheels kill it. They kill the look of the car. And the car's low now, like the ride height I think is perfect.
It's settled really good.
When we put the new wheels on, you'll be able to see actually all the work we did with the calipers and new rotors and everything. But yeah, look at that.
The glass needs to be washed.
Yeah, car needs to be clean. Fix the rust on the sunroof.
We gotta replace this though.
Yeah, so we have new window trim here and new window trim here to put in. We do need to get the car tinted again. You guys can see that.
Yeah, the window
but we have new trims here. Like that, like it looks brand new. It's crazy.
It's amazing.
And then we probably should paint this cowl or get a new one of these and repaint the windshield wipers. But wow. We cleaned up, removed all the badging from the back. Any marks that were there are now gone.
The rear end of this car looks really good with those big.
Yeah, the exhaust tips. Wow. Really nice. All right, without wasting any more time, we'll go ahead and pull this thing out, get it up on the lift, and we're gonna swap out the wheels. We'll test fit these Advans, see if they fit. Have you picked up one of these Advans yet?
No.
They're really light. Cross your fingers. Oh, I gotta get the new lug nuts. Perfect.
Oh my
They're
God.
perfect. All right, hold it right there. Here. Test a couple more of these guys. Dude! That looks so good. That's money too. Look at that.
Oh my God.
Let's do the rear.
God, it looks so good.
Look at that handprint.
Is that from you?
No, I didn't do that.
Oh, okay.
Yo. Dude,
looks so good.
that looks so good.
Look at it from here, you can get the full angle.
Dude. I really just want to get these mounted. This car would be so sick.
Yes, agreed.
I think we might just do the full reveal. We're going back on what we said earlier. They fit perfect. The wheels honestly are in 8.5, 9 out of 10 condition. I think we're just gonna send it. We're gonna go swap over the tires, the Michelins that were on the factory wheels, because they're actually in pretty good shape, and put the Advans on the Michelins at our buddy's shop. So we are going to take off all the wheels, bring them over to the tire shop, swap them over, and then when it gets back, this car is gonna be, I guess you call it stage one, minus a couple little things, stage one. I can't get over it. I mean, it doesn't even look like the same car. Everyone around the shop was making fun, saying this was the biggest turd ever. And now, oh my God.
It's unbelievable.
Look at that. Super sick. All right, so by the magic of editing, 3, 2, 1. Got the Advans all mounted up, so we're gonna toss them on the car. I'm so excited, they look so good.
Incredible.
Fitment is great. We can use the old Michelins that were fine for now. And you know, down the road, if we want to refinish them or try out a different color, definitely can do that, clean up the little imperfections that we see. But let's go ahead, let's toss these on.
Before we put them on, we gotta put on some throtlVIP caps.
Do we have any? Here we go. Got them. Hey Rick, open these up. All right.
Look at that.
Ooh, little throttle pedal on there. So guys, yeah, we are running a sale on the throtl valve stem caps. We actually haven't really showed them too much. $6 guys, $6 for a set of nice powder coated black valve stem caps. They look like this. They look like this, guys, gloss black with a gray throttle pedal. They fit on every set of wheels, and they look pretty dope. Links in the description if you guys want to check those out. All right, let's go ahead and toss the Advans onto the car. Looks so killer. Oh my God, what a transformation.
Can we do a flashback to what the car looked like when we first got it?
Sure. And look at it now. Oh my God, these wheels are perfect. So good. All right, let's go ahead and toss these on. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put together an awesome cinematic of this car. So I hope you guys enjoy. Real quick, before we end today's video, I just wanted to express my gratitude. We've got a ton of new subscribers and followers and viewers on the channel. So I want to say thank you for making the decision to subscribe to us. And I wanted to leave you guys with just this quick thought. Every time you guys drop a thumbs up and comment, that helps us. And I just want to say thank you. And we try to answer as many questions or comments as we can. So if you're concerned about something like the oil pan on the VR-4, I know a bunch of people have been asking about that. Or if you don't like the wheels, or if you don't like the brake caliper color, whatever, let us know. We'd love to hear from you guys. I try to respond to as many comments as I can. And if we don't respond, shoot us a DM on Instagram, whether it's a personal Instagram or the Throttle Instagram. We love talking with you guys. And if you guys have questions about your builds, same thing goes. So thank you guys. Thank you for joining this throttle journey with us. We appreciate each and every one of you guys. A huge goal for us in 2019 is to get out to as many different places across the country, maybe even overseas. So hopefully we'll see you guys real soon. Thanks again. Peace.